Realme mobile screen lock, Realme mobile pattern screen, password, pin, fingerprint, unlock, very easy, without any computer and any laptop, just hard reset. First, power off this device, then volume down and power with volume down and power, press with release power key, then press volume down key, select web data factory reset, then factory reset, then web data, then reboot the device. Reboot system now. Reboot system now, click. Rebooting. All Realme, very easy. Screen lock remove, fingerprint remove, pin remove, password remove, pattern remove, Google account remove, Gmail remove, very easy. Latest method, just volume down and power key press, then recovery mode, then select web data factory reset, then reboot system. Okay, now wait 2 or 3 minutes, then device ready selected. All Realme device, pattern, password, fingerprint remove, forget pattern, very easily unlock. Realme, Oppo, Xiaomi, same method, same rules. Vivo, all Android phone. This phone is Realme C33. Then select, then continue, select country, then continue, then more and accept, skip, then done, then ready for device, get started. Okay friends, very easy unlock all Realme device, any model, any device, all Android phone. RAM, processor. Okay, bye.